Hi, it's Chris. Today I'm going to show you how to install a new knob on your Whirlpool built washer. Very straightforward repair, only take you a few minutes. Okay. To change the knob on your washer, it's a very easy, straightforward repair. All you need to do is just apply a little bit of pressure and squeezing the knob and just pull outwards, and the knob will come right off. The only thing you'll want to check for is most knobs have a little metal clip on the inside that grips it onto the shaft. And sometimes when you remove the knob, that may very well stay on the machine and you have to pull it off so you can install your new one. So once that's removed and you're sure that that clip's not there, you're just going to take the new knob, move it into place, and slide it into position. Give it a quick test, and your repair is complete.